Hello, in this video I will show you when you switch off your phone, how to know your phone is fully switched off. So we just switch off my iPhone. This is iPhone SE 2020. Now before you switch off, you feel the fingerprint. You feel it can be pressed. You can press it. But once you switch off the iPhone, we need to wait just a few seconds. Now the iPhone is switched off. To know the iPhone is switched off completely, you press the fingerprint and then you feel the fingerprint cannot be pressed, because once the iPhone is turned off, fingerprint cannot be pressed. Now it's no sound, cannot be pressed. That means that make you sure that your iPhone is fully switched off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.